and here I am at Parth Kiona. Now this project is located in Hinjewadi Phase 1, that is on Hinjewadi Man Road. So from this place, the best part is that all the phases of Hinjewadi are very accessible. Along with that, the Bombay-Bangalore highway from the other road is also just about 15 minutes from here, not more than that. Balewadi Stadium is just about 10 to 12 minutes from here. The Balewadi High Street is also about 15 to 20 minutes of drive from here. So the accessibility is amazing. There are multiple schools and colleges in the close vicinity. Along with that, even the brand new Phoenix Mall of the Millennium is just about 15 to 20 minutes from here. Now, everything being so accessible, what else is so lovely about this project? Well, that is that the whole project is constructed in a total land parcel of 5 acres, which will have 4 towers, out of which 3 will be purely residential and 1 tower will be purely commercial. Now, these residential towers are going to have 22 floors of premium 2 BHK apartments. They have multiple variants in the 2 BHK apartments. I'm going to show you the house from inside, but also let me tell you that they have multiple external amenities like kids play area, gymnasium, swimming pool and many more. लेकिन ज़रूरी ये है कि घर अंदर से कैसा दिखता है. I'm sure you want to see that too. Let's go and take a look at it. And here I am standing right outside this beautiful apartment, which is of approximately 767 square feet. Well, as I told you, इनके पास multiple variants है, लेकिन ये वाला मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा खूबसूरत लगा, and that's the reason I think you should see it too. Now, entrance पे सबसे पहले तो they are providing you a video door phone for your safety and security. Second stage of your safety and security, a digital door lock that can be operated with your fingerprint, with a digital key, with a physical key and also a numeric lock. Another very good thing that I liked about the house is कि एक तो ये veneer finish door है जो कि पूरा one piece में आता है, which comes over here with a curve. लेकिन उसके बावजूद इन लोगों ने यहाँ पर दरवाजे पर provide की हुई है rubber strips. So all the doors come with these rubber strips, जिसकी वजह से आपके दरवाजे की लाइफ काफी बढ़ जाती है. एंटर करते हैं हम और इस फायर एरिया को आप यूटिलाइज कर सकते हैं for your shoe racks और storage units. और यहाँ पर हम आते हैं into your beautiful living and dining space. Now the living and the dining space has been provided in an L-shaped so that even if there are guests who are having food, you can still have a conversation with them because of ease of accessibility. And now let me show you the balcony. Now the balcony opens with this sliding door and balcony में एक special secret surprise है आपके लिए. Come outside and I'll tell you. The balcony comes of course with anti-skid floors, with a railing over here and it is covered. लेकिन हर एक balcony में आपको मिलेगा एक AC duct. Now what happens with this is that first things first, when you are trying to get an AC fixed in your house, you don't have to get the work done from outside. Second thing, जो building है उसका जो बाहर का exterior finish है वो अलग-अलग AC ducts की वजह से खराब नहीं होता है. And also when there is a repair work or something of that sort needed, you have everything right over here in the accessibility of the house. अब बढ़ते हैं हम डाइनिंग एरिया और किचन की तरफ एंड यहाँ पर हम आ जाते हैं आपके किचन में एक चीज आप नोटिस कीजिए, बस ये एक दीवार है जो एंट्रेंस के साथ थी. अदरवाइज द किचन इज अ कंप्लीटली ओपन किचन दैट कम्स ओवर हियर विद दिस छोटा सा क्यूट सा सर्विस टेबल. बिकॉज ऑफ दिस ऑफ कोर्स जो हमारे बैल्कनी की रोशनी है, वेंटिलेशन है, वो आपके किचन में सीधा आता है. किचन में एक ड्राई बैल्कनी है जिसकी वजह से आपका किचन स्टेज वेल लिट फ्रॉम 2 different directions. Let's take a look at this now. This is an L-shaped granite slab over here that can be utilized for your utilities and a dry utility area जिसके अंदर भी आपको मिलेगा एक AC duct space. Now this is covered again from 3 sides and on one side you will get the space for your AC duct again. Kitchen से निकलते हुए let's move into the kids bedroom. Kids bedroom again is very special because the size of the kids bedroom is of 10 by 12. Unlike usual homes जहाँ पे 10 by 10 का room होता है, 10 by 12 का room मिलने से आपको जो 2 feet extra मिल रहा है वहाँ पे you can place your wardrobes so that the whole space can be utilized. Along with that, also notice that the window size is pretty bigger as compared to the other regular windows. And along with that, यहाँ पे आधा आपको मिल जाएगा ये toughened glass और इसके ऊपर ये sliding window जिसकी वजह से फील आता है स्टैंडिंग बालकनी का. उसी के साथ साथ ये जो विंडो है इसमें आपको मिल जाता है एक प्री फिटेड मस्कीटो नेट भी. So everything has been properly taken care of. Along with that, when you are exiting, also take a look that ये जो दरवाजे हैं हर एक दरवाजे पे आपको ये रबर स्ट्रिप मिलता है. This over here is the common toilet and bath, which is right in the common area, diagonally opposite your kids' bedroom and very next to your dining area as well. This one also comes with anti-skid tiles on the floor, wall-to-wall vitrified tiles, CP sanitary fittings, and also a window for your exhausts over there. गेस्ट मास्टर बेडरूम में हम एंटर कर रहे हैं. मास्टर बेडरूम के एंट्रेंस पर भी ये स्ट्रिप्स यहाँ पर आपको मिल जाते हैं. एंड द बेस्ट पार्ट इज कि यहाँ पे एंटर करते ही साथ सीधा बेडरूम नजर नहीं आता है, आपको नजर आता है ये स्पेस आइल एरिया, जिसकी वजह से आपकी प्राइवेसी काफी अच्छे से मेंटेन होती है. लेट्स कम इनसाइड एंड टेक अ लुक एट द मास्टर बेड ओवर हियर. एंड द मास्टर बेडरूम कम्स विद एन अटैच्ड टॉयलेट एंड वॉश व्हिच हैज एंड अलोंग विद दैट दिस इज योर मास्टर balcony. Now, the master balcony also comes with anti-skid tiles on the floor, a railing, and a duct for your air conditioners. अरे अरे अरे, आप कहाँ जा रहे हैं? मैं तो जा रही हूँ ताकि मैं आपको बता सकूँ कि आपको अब इस प्रोजेक्ट पे बुकिंग कैसे करनी है और यहाँ पे विजिट कैसे करना है. आप बने रहिए यहीं पर. I will meet you at the other end of the video. And now that I've told you all the details of the project, I'm sure you want to know how will the booking process go ahead. Well, it's very simple. All you need to do is, in the captions, we've mentioned a link. You need to click on that link, and then our sales manager will get in touch with you and then help you shortlist the projects that you have liked depending on your preferences of area, configurations, and multiple other things. Once you have shortlisted the couple of projects, then you and the sales manager will travel together with the free cab service that we are providing you and then finalize your dream home. Well, as I told you earlier, that this is going to come in with a lot of multiple benefits like no brokerage, like the best offers in town, and also booking offers. Now, for all of this, you need to register yourself with us, and that is in the captions. Along with that, you also need to subscribe to our channel so that you can stay updated about all the projects, not just in Pune, but also pan-India. Well, not just pan-India, we are also present across the globe in multiple countries like UAE, Canada, Singapore, USA, and many more. So, if you want to purchase a house, not just in Pune, but globally anywhere, you are at Property Cloud, and we are going to help you buy your dream home with the best of deals in the market, hassle-free and brokerage-free. Stay tuned to us. Thank you.